Totally foggy. Right under the Laurel Highlands hiking trail. Who's gonna say this is August 29 when the temperature is 75 degrees outside? I think this is totally foggy because of higher elevation, but it's really interesting. This highway is relatively new and very scenic. After I was done driving through the foggy patches, things started to look up and all the scenic spots were visible. I briefly stopped to take a picture with the Mount Hunsrück sign, and then I reached the trail of the final destination, which is Mount David.
Proceed about 2 miles to your destination.
With a little bit of fog everywhere, no one around, and surrounded by tall green trees, this path was looking quite cinematic to me. I was really enjoying my drive on this trail, but then I saw a sign for an overlook. I parked there. I have to say, I was not expecting this. The spot was really beautiful. Isn't this amazing when you get to see this from your vehicle? Beautiful. This is another absolutely beautiful spot I've never come to before. Awesome. That's pretty big.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
(3,213 feet above sea level. Let's see. And that's it. I've come here several years ago, I think 5 years ago, but I've never come here using the route that I used through the forest road or something. I remember there's a cool thing on top. Woohoo! Here I am at the top. Check out those wind turbines. None of them are moving now for some reason. It's awesome that no one is here. This is pretty cool. So check this out. The lake that I was seeing from the overlook, perhaps the overlook is there or further to the left, but that's where I'm now. I mean, look at this. This is pretty awesome. Yeah, I remember that house there from the top. That's where I'm parked. Water is very clean. This is pretty cool. I saw quite a lot of fish there. It's really amazing. Oh, all the fish are there on that. Had to get down in water. The water is clean like Lake Tahoe. Check this out.